two things you actually need if you are looking at making money online. Hey there, my name is Chris, and if you're interested in learning the two things you actually need to make money online, then you want to like this video. Make sure you follow me right here so that you can learn more of this and also share this video. So let's go, guys. The two things you actually need to make money online is number one, audience. Yes, audience are the people that will buy whatever it is that you want them to buy. Now you need to understand that for you to sell out on anything, then you want to amass yourself with enough people or a lot of audience. So you need to first and foremost build an audience for yourself if you are looking at making money. So it does not matter what it is that you want to use in making money. One thing you actually need, which nobody is telling you, is that you need to build an audience. An audience are the people that will buy the product that you want them to buy. They are the people that will click to whatever funnel you want them to click to. They are the people that will watch that video that you want them to watch. They are the people that will do whatever action you want them to take. So the one thing you actually need to get started with is for you to build an audience that knows you, that likes you, and truly very, very happy and delighted to actually perform that task. So that's the number one thing you actually need when it comes to you making money in this online space. If you check out people that are actually making money right now, that are called influencers, you will find out that it is because they have this thing called audience, right? So if you are just starting out, one thing you want to do first is cool down and actually build an audience for yourself. So how do you build an audience for yourself? Create a lead magnet, right, that you would use to attract people to what it is that you want them to know about you, right? So that lead magnet will take them to a particular place. Maybe you create a funnel that takes them to a WhatsApp group or a Facebook group or a Telegram group, whatever platform that you want to build this audience on. So you build this audience, right, and before you start to sell whatever thing that you want to sell, the next thing you need, right, when it comes to making money in the online space is for you to have a product to sell. Yes, guys, so now you have built an audience for yourself. The next thing you want to do for yourself is to begin to sell a particular product. Listen, guys, I always say this a lot. If you're looking at making money right now in the online space, you need to start selling something, right? And selling is a skill that you can learn. Even if you say you don't know how to sell, you can actually learn how to sell. So if you want to learn how to sell, you can send me a message right now and you can join my Create and Sell Digital Products, right, challenge, where I'll be teaching you how to create digital products and also how you can sell out your digital product. Now, create a product for you to sell. Now, selling is the process in which you get people to buy a particular thing, right? So you want to give out value when it comes to you selling a particular thing. So ask yourself, what is the value that you want people to get at the end so that they can give you money in return? Value is what brings in money, right? So if you're looking at making money, you want to ask yourself, what is the value you want to give to somebody? If you have given somebody money, ask yourself, what is the reason in which you actually gave that person money? It is possible that you bought something from the person that is of value to you. That is why you actually give that person money, right? So value is what attracts money. All right, so you want to help people save time, you want to help people make money, you want to help people save money, right? All of these things are the value that you can give to people that will bring in the money that you are looking for. So ask yourself, what is the product that you want to sell right now? It can be physical product, it can be digital product, it can be services. All right, physical product is the one you know, of course, and digital products are the ebooks, the social media templates, online courses, and all of that, right? And services are you helping people do a particular task. So it can be helping people run Facebook ads, it can be helping people create content on their social media account, it can be helping people take their business online. What are the services that you can offer to people that will make you the money you are looking at? Again, if you want to learn all of this that I just shared, then you want to join the the Create and Sell Digital Products challenge, right, that I have put together that will make you money right now in the internet. All right, guys, follow me for more to learn more about how you can actually make money in the online space. Again, my name is Chris Ibe. See you there.